how can I support my femininity, or how do you say it? Is it right? Feminine side. Yeah. I want to be more feminine, and also I have many clients. They want to be more feminine. They
Okay.
want to show it, in the outside. They want to be really women. And how can I support this with the law of attraction?
So right now, if you could measure how feminine you're allowing yourself to be, 0 being you're fully allowing it, 10 being you're completely resisting it, where would you say you fit on that 0 to 10 scale?
I think it's between 2 and 3.
Okay, so you're all the way down to a 3, which is really good because you're most of the way there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've
So
worked a lot on this challenge.
good. So the only reason you're not at a 0 is because there's a part of you that feels like maybe it's unsafe to be at a 0.
Mm-hmm.
Does that make sense?
Oh, that makes sense, yeah.
So here's a probing
But
question. Here's a probing question we can try. If I fully allowed myself to be that version of me, that's completely feminine, as much as I want to be, how does that feel unsafe? What's the worst thing that could happen?
a part of me says it could be that somebody hurts me.
Okay, so that's the resistance. That's the block that's preventing it, right? So let's see if we can play with that really quick. So I feel like somebody will hurt me because
Maybe in some situations I'm not strong enough.
and I feel like I'm not strong enough because
When I'm too feminine,
do you think
everybody can look inside of me. I don't know if I want this.
and does that feel like it's unsafe?
No, not really unsafe. No.
It's about being vulnerable. Is that what you mean by looking inside of you?
Yeah, maybe it's the part of me that says, yeah, if everybody can look inside of me, this getting hurt. Yeah.
So there's a fear that other people might reject you.
Yeah.
Okay. So everybody who judges is going to judge. So for me, the work that I do, I've got people who think I'm an idiot, that I shouldn't teach this stuff, that it goes against religion. I've got people who judge me for the work that I do, and I've got people who praise me for the work that I do, right?
Yeah.
Should I stop doing this work because of the people who reject it and who judge it?
And no way. No.
So should you stop being the authentic you for the people who might judge it?
No. In no way.
Because I can guarantee you there is more people who are going to love the authentic you more than the ones that are going to reject it. And it's all going to come down to your vibration, right? So if you're vibrating at a place of worthiness and good enoughness and safety, and you're seeing all the people who praise you, then no matter who you choose to be, that's what you're going to attract. So all of those people who reject and who judge, it's not about you needing to be somebody to please them. It's about you choosing to be your authentic you and being a vibrational match to letting in the people who are going to love the you that you really are.
Yeah. And I know it's very important to be authentic.
Absolutely, because the more authentic you are, the more you're going to be connected to your inner being.
Yeah. Is it right when somebody is really tough, that you are not so connected to your inner being, not so connected to your soul?
I would say somebody who is like really tough, like like I think the way you're saying, is somebody who has a lot of fear.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People who bully, they bully because they're very afraid and because they have low self-confidence or self-worth.
Yeah. So that's the part they show to the others, but then inside, yeah, they have a lot
Yes.
of fear.
And you, by being you authentically, even if it's triggering other people, you know what? It's exactly what they need. Because you triggering them is going to bring up to the surface in them what they need to deal with.
Oh, that's the reason why I had in the last month a few, oh, many people. Yeah, they criticized me,
Yeah, let them.
especially at work, especially in that what I'm doing with the horses and the coaching. And oh, this critic was really sometimes hard for me.
Yeah, and that's got nothing to do with you. It's all about them and their inner stuff that they have going on that they
Yeah.
need to work through. You're doing them a favor by shining a light on them, what it is that they need to work on for themselves. And maybe they'll work on it for themselves, or maybe they won't, but that's none of your business.
Yeah, that's right. So I'm the mirror for them, like the horses for me. Oh,
Absolutely.
that's pretty nice. Oh, that's I love it. I have to write it down.
Excellent. Excellent. Thank you for playing with me, Karen.
Oh, I say thank you, Nick.
Awesome. This was a
Thank
lot
you.
of fun.
That was great. Thank you so much.